freewheeling and acting as a circular wing, if you will. Gyroplanes have been around a long time, right? The Gyro Spaniards invented them in the 1920s. The ones that you might perhaps remember more than anything else is Little Nelly from the 1960s. In Elstree and in Japan during the filming, despite what Sean Connery will tell you. Peter's been flying for 32 years, 22 of them on rotorcraft. He's got over 2,000 hours. And now look, this is where the gyroplane takes on the skills and the flying characteristics of a helicopter. Among Peter's achievements is he was the pilot of a Cessna Conquest twin-turbine aircraft. He flew in a round-the-world race in 1994, and he has on his office wall a certificate declaring him to be an Earth Rounder. Such a polite man. I think he's going to bow to you, isn't that wonderful? Give him a wave.
More smoke, please, Vicar.
Fine pilot and a gentleman to boot.